You're given the following experimental values. Find the order of the reaction in respects to A, B, C, the overall reaction, and the value of K. So, in order to find the reaction in respect to one solubility, you need to take the x value, or for could be A or B, of the second one to the first one, to the power of the order of the reaction is equal to rate 2 divided by rate 1. So let's start off with A. Now A goes 2, and its original value was 1. The power of order reaction is equal to 4 divided by 4. So that would ultimately give us 2 to the power of the order is equal to 1. Now any number to the power of 0 is going to be 1, which is exactly what we want. So we can assume that order A is to the 0th power. Part B. 2 divided by 1 to the power of the order of the reaction is equal to 8 divided by 4. And that would give us 2 to the power of x is equal to 2. Now, of course, you can probably assume what the value would be if you knew the properties of exponential values, but for the sake of education, let's teach you how you would do it if you didn't. Now, in order to find the values of an exponential, you simply have to do log of y to the power of x. When you do that, you can take out the exponential value and put it on its own. And this works with 2. So we get x times log of 2 is equal to log of 2. And if you're observant, you'd notice that we are, it doesn't exactly say what logarithmic power we're using, and that's because we really don't need to know, because this would practically work for any logarithmic value, because we're simply dividing it. So x is equal to log of 2 divided by log of 2, which of course is just the first order. For part C is 2 divided by 1 to the power of, I'm sure you know, 32 divided by 8. 2 to the power of x is equal to 4. And then that would ultimately makes us do x is equal to log of 4 divided by log of 2, which gives us to the second order. The overall reaction is simply just adding all the other orders together. So the 0th order from A, the first order from B, and the second order from C. So that would give us the third order. To find the constant value, all you need to do is take the values from any experiment, any one of them, and that should give you the constant. So, for example, let's use the last row, which would give us 32 is equal to the value of B to the power of 1 times the value of C to the power of 2 times the value of A to the 0, but remember, any number to the power of 0 is going to be 1, so we can practically ignore it. So that would give us 32 is equal to constant times 8, and then 32 divided by 8 will give us k, and then k is equal to 4. Now notice you will need to use the units you were given. I didn't, your values may be different from mine,